Hello, good day. This is Ravetech Innovate. I want to come to a way to let you know to talk about this topic on how you can add a new a new storage to your laptop without installing a new SSD. Let's quickly dive into the video and let's know. This is Ravetech Innovate once again. And number one on the list is USB external hard drive. This USB external hard drive, they help you, they are drive that are available in various capacity. They're up to 1 terabyte. You can add to your PC, and these are example of USB external hard drive that you can make as new SSD. You add to your PC without installing new SSD to your laptop. The number two are class storage. Class storage are more like services for saving your data, your information. Examples are one a drive, drop a box. We have a Google Drive, we have box, then iDrive, Google Sync, iCloud, PC Cloud, Mega, and more. Number three is the flash drive. The flash drive, they have the some of them have the capacity to 1 terabyte storage file for documents, media. These are drive that are portable and easy to use. These are some of the pictorial example of some of the flash drive you can use as a storage to your PC without installing new SSD. Number four is SD and micro cards. These are cards that you can have slot in your PC. Looking at the edge or the back of your PC, you see the slot there. You can slot them in there for them to serve as a storage to your PC without installing new SSD card. Number five, but not the least, are the wireless external card. This wireless external card can be connected to your PC wirelessly without cable. You can move them around and put all your file there without installing extra new SSD to your PC. These are example. You can see this particular one. You can see the signal showing there. Those are wireless card. This is another one. This is another one again. There are a lot of them that you can, once you get to the market, you can get any of them to install on your PC. Thank you so much for watching this video. We'll come our way again with another topic, a fascinating topic again for our own learning sake. We learn together here at Ravetech Innovate. Well, make sure you subscribe to this channel and share to others for them to benefit from this information. Thank you so much for watching. Until we come your way again.